Current Affairs. Today's headlines. August 28–29, 2022. India. Builder Supertech's 40-story twin towers in Noida demolished over violation of construction laws. Union Home Minister Amit Shah attends first convocation of National Forensic Science University in Gandhinagar. India-USA Joint Special Forces exercise Vajra Prahar 2022 concludes at Baklo in Himachal Pradesh. Enhanced range Pinaka rockets test fired at Balasore and Pokhran. Range extended from 37 kms to 45 kms. SAREX-2022. ICG's Dornier aircraft demonstrates ways of rescuing people from ships. Gujarat. PM inaugurates Smriti Van Memorial in Bhuj remembering people who died in 2001 earthquake in Kutch. United Nations General Assembly, UNGA President and Foreign Minister of Maldives Abdullah Shahid, visits India. Economy and Corporate. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, PMJDY. The National Mission for Financial Inclusion, completes 8 years of implementation. Gujarat. Event held in Gandhinagar to mark 40 years of Suzuki Motor Corporation in India. $4.7 billion. Billdesk acquisition. Process-backed Payu gets show-cause notice from Competition Commission of India, CCI. World. Ukraine's Zaporizhzhia nuclear plant, occupied by Russian troops, back online. Sports. Badminton World Championship in Tokyo. Denmark's Victor Axelsen, men's, Japan's Akane Yamaguchi, women's, win singles titles. India, 148 fifths in, 19.4, defeat Pakistan, 147 tenths in 19.5, by 5 wickets in Asia Cup T20I at Dubai. Red Bull's Max Verstappen wins Formula 1 Belgian Grand Prix at Spa-Francorchamps. Indian wins gold at World Cadet Judo Championships in